Welding is a critical process in many industries, from manufacturing to construction. Choosing the right welding machine is crucial for achieving high-quality welds efficiently and effectively. With so many options available in the market, it can be overwhelming to pick the right one. In this article, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best welding machines available on the market today, taking into account factors such as ease of use, versatility, durability, and overall performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, you're sure to find a welding machine that meets your needs and budget on this list. Number 5. HITBOX MT2002 Welding Machine. The HITBOX MT2002 welding machine is an excellent product that offers a variety of functions in a compact and lightweight design. It weighs only 11 kilograms and measures 402,730 centimeters, making it easy to move and store in small spaces. The machine offers 3 functions in one: MIG, arc, and TIG welding, which is impressive for a machine of its size. This feature makes it versatile and suitable for various welding tasks. The welding machine is also efficient, with an efficiency rating of 0.85, meaning that it consumes less power than other welding machines, making it more economical to use. One of the standout features of the HITBOX MT2002 is its wire feeding speed, which can be adjusted between 3 to 18 meters min. This feature allows for precise control over the welding process and ensures that the welding wire is fed at a consistent rate, resulting in a cleaner and smoother weld. The welding machine is designed to work with AC 220V power, making it suitable for use in a variety of locations. However, it may not be suitable for use with generators or other power sources that do not provide a stable voltage. Number 4. HZXVOGEN MIG 250 Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN MIG 250 welding machine is a highly versatile and efficient tool that can perform MIG, arc, and TIG welding, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced welders. One of the standout features of this welding machine is its compact and lightweight design, making it easy to transport and store. The machine's inverter technology uses IGBT, which ensures stable and reliable welding performance, even when working with thicker materials. The wire feeding speed can be adjusted between 2 and 14 meters min, which is ideal for precise welding and prevents wire jams. The HZXVOGEN MIG 250 is also compatible with welding wires of 0.8 mm and 1.0 mm in diameter, allowing for a wide range of welding applications. The applicable thickness for this welding machine is over 0.8 mm, making it suitable for various welding projects. Number 3. ANDELI MIG 270 TPL Welding Machine. The ANDELI MIG 270 TPL welding machine is a high-quality welding machine that is perfect for welding materials with ease. This machine is manufactured by ANDELI, a well-known brand in the welding industry, and boasts a range of features that make it stand out from the competition. Firstly, this welding machine is lightweight, weighing in at just 21 kg. This makes it easy to transport and maneuver, making it perfect for welding jobs that require mobility. Additionally, the machine's dimensions of 555,310,385 ensure that it takes up minimal space, making it ideal for small workshops or garages. One of the most impressive features of the ANDELI MIG 270 TPL welding machine is its wire feeding speed of 18 min. This means that welding can be done quickly and efficiently, without any interruptions. Additionally, the machine's no-load voltage of 62V ensures that it is powerful enough to tackle even the most challenging welding jobs. The ANDELI MIG 270 TPL welding machine is also designed with the user in mind, featuring a frequency of 50-60 Hz and an efficiency of 85%. This means that it is easy to operate and requires minimal effort to achieve high-quality results. Number 2. AZZUNO MIG 270 Welding Machine. The AZZUNO MIG 270 welding machine is a versatile and efficient piece of equipment that delivers excellent welding results. Its multi-mode capability allows for MMA, MIG gas, and TIG welding, making it suitable for a wide range of welding applications. The machine's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to move around and store, while the included accessories like the 15AK MIG torch, 300A electrode holder, 300A earth clamp, and TIG torch make it a complete package for any welding project. I found the machine easy to use, with clear instructions provided in the manual. The 2 meters tube and 3 meters cable length were sufficient for my needs, and the wire flux cord worked well with the machine. The welding results were impressive, with the machine producing clean and strong welds. The MIG mode worked exceptionally well, with the machine delivering consistent and stable wire feeding. I also tried the TIG mode, and it performed admirably, producing clean and precise welds. Number 1. DEKO DKA200 Welding Machine. The DEKO DKA200 welding machine is a powerful and efficient tool that is perfect for all your welding needs. With its compact dimensions of 238,109,163 millimeters, this machine is lightweight and easy to transport, making it an ideal choice for both home and professional use. One of the most impressive features of the DKA200 is its high efficiency of 85%, which means it wastes less power than many other welding machines on the market. Additionally, its power factor of 0.93 ensures that it uses power more effectively, resulting in less wasted energy and reduced electricity bills. The machine's current range of 20 to 200 A is suitable for a wide range of welding tasks, while its rated duty cycle of 60% means that it can operate continuously for extended periods without overheating or causing damage. The pilot arc current of 60 A and pulse frequency of arc current of 20 to 200 A make it easy to control the welding process and achieve accurate and precise results. The DEKO DKA200 is also user-friendly and easy to operate, with clear and straightforward controls that make it simple to adjust settings to suit your needs. It is also designed with safety in mind, with an IP21's protection degree that ensures it is resistant to water and dust, protecting the user and prolonging the machine's lifespan. Thanks for watching this video.